Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Comparing Religious Education Indonesia and Japan. Abstract. This paper compares the ways in which religious education has been performed in Indonesia and Japan in terms of context, theory, history, policy, practice, and impact. Generally speaking, the practice of religious education in the two countries is far different in that Indonesia has strong support the to religious education, while Japan has weak support to the practice of religious education. This is due to the fact that not only the characteristics of the societies of the two countries are different, but also to the two do embrace different states ideology. In addition, families in the two societies play a crucial role in determining the existence and practice of religious education. Keywords: religious education, state ideology, state policy, private school, public school. A. Introduction. It is worth noting that with regard to religions and education policy and ideology vary from one country to another in the world. Countries that embrace secular ideology, such as the United States, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Uruguay, Cuba, Azerbaijan, and Kazakhstan, do not allow religious education held in public school, but they do allow so in private school. By contrast, Indonesia support religious education in public school. Moreover, the state officially demands religious education as part of school curricula. Other countries, whole societies are attached to religious tradition, such as Pakistan and Malaysia, share this policy. In short, the practice of religious education (RE) in a country depends on the state's ideology. There are some models of the relation of RE and state ideology. First, when the state ideology in secular RE in prohibited in public school, but not in private school. This model can be seen in the United States, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Uruguay, and Cuba. Secondary, although the state's ideology is secular, the majority of population belongs to certain religious traditional, Catholic, for example. ROE is allowed in both public and private schools. This practice can be seen in Australia, Germany, Spain, Colombia, Chile, and Peru. Exceptional in is in the cases of two former Soviet Union countries, Azerbaijan and Kazakhstan, which cause secular ideology, but the majority of their population are Muslim. They do not allow religious education taught in public school. The third model is that when state ideology belong to certain religions like Islam, it is not allowed permitted, but is also required as part of public school curricula. In the case, R is specifically refers to Islamic education, which consequently implies that RE in public school refers to Islamic education. This is what happened in Pakistan and Malaysia, both of which hold Islam as former state religion. The fourth model in when the state ideology is neither secular nor religious, like Indonesia, RE is not only permitted but also required in public and private school. However, the content of RE in the fourth model is not only about Islamic teaching, but also those of other religious acknowledged by the states of Indonesia. This paper compares religious education in Indonesia and Japan in terms of social context, state policy, history, RE in school, and student behavior. This study tries to answer a question as to why the REWIS has strong support from states, family, and religious institutions has little impact on student good behavior. On the other hand, students in secular countries such as in Japan who do not receive RE at all are not necessarily worse in behavior than students with RE in religious societies. B. Indonesia and Japan in comparison. To, to compare Indonesia and Japan, Indonesia has population around 242.3 million, whereas Japan has 126.66 million. The state ideology of Indonesia in Pancasila, while Japan adopts secular ideology. It seems the different state ideology contributes to different practices of RRI in Indonesia with the Pancasila as the state ideology. Religious plays a crucial role in the country. There are six religious acknowledged officially by the state: Islam 87.2%, Christianity 7%, Hinduism 1.7%, Buddhism 9%, and Confucianism. In Japan, wise choice secular ideology as the foundation of the nation, religious plays no significant role in the country. There is no mention of official religions in Japan, although Article 20 of its constitution guarantees religious freedom, nor is three official statistics which explain the affiliation of the population of Japan to its religion. However, according to International Religious Freedom report published in 2013, based on 2011 report by the Government Agency for Cultural Affairs, (EKR), indicated that some religious groups claim that their members reached 196 million. This number, ironically more than the number of country's population, indicates that many citizens have affiliation with multiple religions, and in the command for Japanese to embrace both Buddhist and Shinto belief at the same time. However, according to Edwin Reisers and Marius Jensen, 70 until 80% of the Japanese do not consider themselves believers in any religions. Indonesians' population is diverse not only in terms religious, but also considers languages and countries. The country has around 300 distinct distinct native ethnic groups and 742 reference languages in dialects. The next ethnic group is Japanese, comprising 42% of the population, and the politically and culturally dominant. In terms of languages, the official language in Bahasa Indonesia, and it is a compulsory lesson taught in Indonesia. From elementary to higher education, in fact, people speak one of several hundred local languages and dialects, and the Thais Japanese language is the most widely spoken as the language of the largest ethnic group. By contrast, Japanese culture so more homogeneous in terms of linguistic and culture, as 98.5% of the population speak Japanese, whereas the rest are small minority groups such as Zainichi Korea, Zainichi Chinese, Brazilians, mostly Japanese descent, and Peruvians, mostly Japanese descent. Former Japanese Prime Minister Taro Aso once declared that Japan is a nation of one race, one civilization, one language, and the culture. RE theoretical perspective. Michel Clemens distinguishes three meanings of religious education, namely learning religious, learning from religious, and learning about religious. Religious education (RE) as learning religious means the transmission of religious culture, belief, and values from one generation to another generation. The expansion of religious education entails two perspectives and to hand one religious values and tradition in society. In learning religious models, students are treated as passive began because their position is, is only to receive and accept religious teaching and values from teachers. The process of transmission and transfer of these religious values in through indoctrination. The model of RE is learning from religious look for advantages of the religious for human life. How close religious possible contribute to solve the problem faced by human beings? What are the values of religious for human life? That RE is defined in learning from religious is that learning holds positive attitudes towards RE. The emphasis of RE is to seek what values of religious which can be employed to solve human problems in changing society. In this regard, there will be no critical judgment of religious because religious is treated as a source of knowledge and moral principle. Religious education as learning about religious means studying religious in a purely objective and descriptive manner, not merely absorbing or saving religious values. This approach can be called as an objective from the teaching religious. RE as learning about religious has contribution to traits religion with either Christianism or appreciation. Learning has to take distance from religious because it is an object of study. In this sense, RE is carried out through significant and dialogical whiles and critical thinking is necessary in this model of RE. Looking at the above theoretical perspective, the practice of RE in Indonesia is dominated by learning religious and learning from religious perspective in the elementary and secondary, junior and senior high school. In the higher education level, these two models are still dominant, with exception in higher education with specialization in religious studies in which religious is not only seen as a doctrine that shall be accepted blindly, but is also as knowledge which can be Christianized. In Japan, the practice of RE is closer to the model of learning religious and learning from religious for a private language religions-based school. The public school use the model of learning about religious, which can be seen in the subject of history, Japanese history and world history. Ethics, talking about many religious and moral education. 2. State policy on RE. The social context of Indonesia, where religious play a significant role in public life helps us to understand why RE is this country is strongly supported by the states. RE is not only permitted by required to the talk in public and private school, from elementary to higher education. In Japan, the state keeps distant from religious because the country is based on secular ideology. As a result, RE is not allowed to be taught in public school, but is allowed in private school. From this perspective, the relation between the choice of state's ideology and the way in which RE is carried out is connected. There are three articles on religious education mentioned in the Bill of Republic of Indonesia number 20, year 2003 about national education system. Article 12.1 states that each student in the unit of education has right to receive religious education in his or her own faith, which is taught by a teacher of the faith. Public schools do not have problem with this article because they are used to teach religious in the way. However, for private school, particularly of those that is based of certain religions, this article is controversial for two reasons. First, this article is not in line with the right of community to hold education based on the faith of the community, and secondary, it is a big burden for the school to provide religious teachers outside the faith embraced by the school. In many cases, private schools based on Christianity have more Muslim students than Christians. The reason of why some Muslim families send their children to Christian school is not because of religious, but a consideration of the school quality. Christian schools are perceived to show good quality in terms of education. In practical level, Article 12 is not yet implemented fairly, and even some Christian schools choose not to hold a regular religious education, but they replace it with religiosity education or communication of rights. Two other articles in the Bill of RE number 20 year 2003 that have relation to religious education, namely Article 30 and Article 37. Article 30 deals with religious education in terms of A. The holder of religious education. B. The function of religious education. C. The content of education that holds religious education. And D. The forms of religious education. Article 37 talks about religious education that shall become elements of national curriculum for elementary, secondary, and higher education level. The three Article 12, 30, and 37 of the Bill of RE number 20 year 2003 elaborates in detail the government religious number 55 year 207 containing 6 chapters and 50 articles. Article 4, Article 4.5 and 6 state every unit of education provides place and opportunity for students to perform religious service based on their religious and place for worship as mentioned in the Article 5 would be in the from and room in or around the unit of education that can be used by students to perform religious service. The above policy shows clearly the strong support of the states to RE in Indonesia. Not only is RE included in the Bill of RE number 20 year 2003 indicating that RE is a part of national education system, but is also explained in detail the content of government religious number 455 year 2007. In contrast, Japan does not allow RE to be taught in public school, but is taught allowed in private school. There are only two articles concerning ROI in the Japanese Constitution. One is found in the Japanese Constitution, Article 2021, and another article is found in the Best Acts on Education 2006, Article 15. The Japanese Constitution, Article 20 states, freedom of religion is guaranteed to all. No religious organization shall receive any privilege from the state, nor exercise any political ethnicity. No person shall be compelled to take part in any religious act, celebration, rite, or practice. The state and its organs shall refrain from religious education or any other religious activity. The Best Act of Education 2006, Article 15 states, the attitude of religious tolerance, general knowledge regarding religious, and the position of religious in social life shall be valued in education. The school, established by the national and local government, shall refrain from religious education for other activities for a specific religious. The Japanese Constitution, Article 20, do not purely talks about ROI, but it does so about religious in general. The content of Article 20 can be divided into several issues. First, freedom of religious is protected. Anybody is free to follow or not to follow any belief of religious. Changes religious is part of human right, protected and guaranteed by the Constitution according to the International Religious Freedom Report 2013 released by the U.S. Department of State. Japan is acknowledged as a country that consistently protects religious freedom, not only mentioned in the Japanese Constitution, but also in party it does. The second issue in the Article 20 is about freedom of religious organization. Establishing religious organization is granted by the Constitution, but the government does not provide financial support because the state should keep its neutrality from any kind of religious organization. This is point religious organization is not allowed to take part in the political activity. Another issue in the above article is about individual freedom to religious, namely to participants or not to participate in certain religious practices in its own individual choice and freedom, and nobody can force somebody else to take part or not to certain religious practices. The last statement, the states and its organs shall refrain from religious education means the religious education is prohibited in public school, and this is in line with the Japanese Constitution, which grants the separations of religious and states. Public schools should become public spheres which are free from religious interests. Like other secular countries, there will be a close connection between the Japanese policy of the separation of religious and states and the prohibition of religious education in public school. Article 15 of the Best of Education Point 2 in essence is similar to that of Article 20 of the Japanese Constitution in regards to ROI. However, the purpose of Article 15 of Best of Education Point 1 is to accommodate social situation in which interaction of religious and school cannot be avoided. In fact, it is difficult to apply strict interpretation of Article 15.2 with regard to social reality in Japan. The purpose of Article 15.1 is to give room to interpret and apply point two in a different way. In particular, teachers in Japan are difficult to teach the history of Japan without referring and Shinto and Buddhism, and they also have difficulties to inculcate good behavior without mentioning religiously traditional tales. For the reason, government released Article 15.1 in order to give room for the intersection between religious and school. It suggests to practice religious tolerance, to have general knowledge of religious, and to respect the position of religious in social life. This means the public education is not purely sterile from religious, not in the form of formal religious teaching of certain religions, but in the form of generally knowledge in facts. To free public education from religious is impossible because the history of Japan somehow connects to Shinto and Buddhism. In Japan, there are popular words to show Japanese religions, from as Shinto, married as Christian, and Dei as Buddhist. This intersection of public school and religious in Japan is acknowledged. The above explanation show different support of states to ROI. In Indonesia, ROI received a strong support from the states, and this can be seen through the inclusion of 3 articles on ROI in the Bill of RE number 20 year 2003 and 6 chapters and 50 article in the government regulation number 55 year 2007. In contrast to Japan, the states give low support to RE. In this can be seen from the facts that RE is only mentioned once in the Japanese Constitution and once in the Basic Acts of Education 2006. These facts needs more explanation and exploration from different perspectives. The first explanation can be given by looking at the state ideology. Indonesia is based on Pancasila that has religious nuance throughout. The first principle, belief in one's God, while Japan is based on secular ideology that holds the separation of states and religious. The choice of ideology as the foundation of the states contributes to what extent a state gives support to RE. The reason of why Indonesia and Japan have different support to RE is clearly due to different ideologies, non-secular and secular ideology. The second reason lies in the interest of family and states. Families and the state of Indonesia see RE as an important part of people's life, while family and the states of Japan see RE in a different way. From the efforts of Indonesian families, the existence of RE in school is to ensure the children receive a partlet religious teaching by which they can live based on religious values. This role in religious education is to transfer, mention, and perpetuate religious values from one generation to another. The state, on the other hand, has to interest in religious education. On one hand, the state receives maximum political support from the people, and on the other, religious education has contribution to create ethical and civilized citizen in families, and the state of Japan saw a little interest in RE, for which RE received low support in the constitution and the public life. The last argument present in this work is about the type of society. Indonesia in multicultural society in terms of religious ethnicities. The language with Japan is monocultural society in terms of about factor. Indonesia need ROE because it can promote tolerance, peace, and mutual understanding of one faith to the other. In order to make ROE is meaningful for multicultural and plural society, it is necessary for Indonesia to redefine and reconstruct ROE from merely dealing with one's own religious to those of others. In contrast, Japan does not stress the importance of ROE because the country has monogeneous society that is more manageable than heterogeneous society. 3. History of ROE. Indonesia and Japan have a different history of the issue of ROE. ROE has become the issue in Japan since the periods of Meiji Restoration in 1068. In line with the modernization of education in Japan, the Meiji Constitution was modified in 1945 after the defeat of Japan in the Second World War, and with regard to religious and ROE, it is particularly mentioned in Article 20 of the Constitution, which guarantees the people's religious freedom. In Japan, 1945 was a year of modification of the Constitution, including the position of ROE in public and private school. By contrast, the year 1945, when Indonesia independence was declared, ROE was hotly debated since the inception. ROE, and in particular Islamic education, has been supported by the state by including ROE in national education curricula. However, the implementation of ROE in Indonesia is dynamic, dependent on the regime which rule the country. Generally speaking, the development of ROE in Indonesia can be defined into 3 pieces: Sukarno era 1945 until 1965, Suharto era 1966 until 1997, and Reformation era 1998 onwards. Looking at history, Indonesia and Japan have different stories of ROE. Since inception, there was no tension between ROE and the states in Indonesia. In 1950, ROE was taught at elementary, and junior and senior secondary of public school. It was taught under condition there were at least 10 pupils in the class and had permission from their parents. All matters related ROE are under supervision and responsibility of the Minister of Religious Affairs. In 1942, ROE was practiced. Different age religions in Indonesia has had different application of ROE. The 1960 plenary meeting of NPRS, Temporary Consultative Assembly of People, declared that ROE becomes subject that is shall be taught in public school from elementary to higher education under the condition that the parents allow their children to take that subject. In contrast, there was a tension between the state and Christianity school in Japan. In 1872, the government established public school of elementary and secondary level and higher education level. It was in the periods of Meiji Restoration which private schools were established where law, medicine, liberal arts, and religious were the subject of teaching and learning. There were are increasing number of private schools. When the government withdrew to prohibition of teaching Christianity in 1873, and many Christian denominations established missionary school and expansion of ministry school leads the government to be more aware of their existence because these schools instructed students to admire Tenno that has close relation to Shinto religions. In fact, according to the government, Tenno cannot be appraised except through Shinto's principles. The government feels that this action was beyond Christian school mentioned, and this is the reason why the government then separates education from religious. As a result, in 1889, all schools, whether public or private, were under government supervision and were prohibited to teach religious at all. Thus, in the Meiji Restoration period, the reason why the states did not support RI was because of the issue of Tenno and somehow is related and Shinto religious. In contrast, in Indonesia, in the period of Suharto regime, 1966 until 1997, RI was supported by the state. In the beginning of his administration, the state was faced two types of extremism. On one hand, communism, anti-religion as a left extremes, and these challenges was by applying RE in school and made it as compulsory subject for all students from elementary to higher education. RE in this context has to mention first to prevent school students from the influence of communism, a state common enemy, and secondly, to show that the state supported the existence of religions. From this perspective, it is possible to argue that RE was used by Suharto's regime to oppose communism in one hand and to oppose radical religious beliefs possible lead to the effort of establishing an Islamic state. Another issue that can be compared in terms of history of RE in Indonesia and Japan is about RE in public and private school. In Indonesia, the requirement of RE was only in public school, but after the release of Bill number 2/1989 about the national education system, RE is compulsory in both public and private school from elementary to higher education. However, private school with the base of certain religion have no obligation to hold religious education of other religions. The policy was strengthened by the release of the government regulation number 29 or 1990, which states that school which is based on certain religions was not obliged to teach other religions. In contrast, Japan history saw reference stories of RE in the early of Meiji Restoration, 1872. Private school held authority to teach RE, but in 1800 the government prohibited all school, whether public or private, to teach religious, and even the government proclaimed the separation of state and religious. Since 1945, religious education was allowed only in private school, but not in public school, and Shinto elementary in school teaching were removed. In terms of the relation between states and particular religions, Indonesia and Japan saw different stories. The majority of Indonesian people belong to Islam, and the majority of Japanese are associated with Shinto, although known as true belief. In Indonesia, the states fully support the existence of RE and to a certain degree give advantages to Islamic religions. Compared to Japan, the support of the states to Shinto and unclear due to the decision of separation the state from religious. However, in 1890, Tenno issued a document on moral education entitled Imperial Rescripts One Education Kiriku Chogugo. The document contained the loyalty and filial piety of Japanese to traditional morality, but this document was claimed not to have any religious ingredient. This claim is not fairly true because the document was made by Tenno and Tenno was strongly associated with Shinto. Thus, moral education that was issued and implemented in many schools was somewhat contained ingredient of Shinto teaching. In 1935, the government allowed schools to give education based on religious sentiments. Does it mean that religious education was allowed? The answer is, however, no, as religious education is still prohibited. At this point, it is hard to differentiate between education based on religious sentiments that was allowed and religious education that was prohibited. Looking at the context of education based on religious sentiments which is allowed, it seems that it is under the influence of Western thoughts and method of education that lead many workers and students to be involved in socialist movement. To counter this movement, the government allows education based on religious sentiments, and these religious sentiments refer to Shinto teaching. Religious education, on the other hand, is still prohibited in public school because it comments explicitly certain religions, which is against the principle of the separation of religions and states. However, the situation changed in 1945 in line with the political turmoil of the Japan divides. The Meiji Constitution was modified. The imperial rescript on education that was formulated by Tenno was abolished, and consequently, Shinto elements in school teaching were removed. At the same time, private schools were allowed to hold religious education. For RE in school, once again, Indonesia is supported to RE, and not only is RE permitted, but also it is required in public or private school. In Bill of Republic of Indonesia number 20 year 2003 dealing with national education system, Article 12.1, a state is student in the unit of education has right to receive religious education in his or her own faith and taught by a teacher of the faith. That means that all students have right to receive RE in public and private school. The context in Japan based on the best arts on education of 2006 Article 15 paragraph 2, RE is prohibited in public school. It states the school established by the national and local government shall refrain from religious education or other activities of a specific religious. This article surely prohibited religious education in public school in order to make school neutral in religious. In Indonesia, all students shall receive ROI from elementary to higher education, and schools have obligation to provide it. However, the amount of hours is different from one school to another. Is depend on what of type of school, whether it is public school, madrasah, Islamic public school, private school, or religious-based private school. Elementary students in public school receive 4 hours of RE per week, while for elementary students of madrasah receive 6 hours per week. Students of secondary, junior, and senior of public school receive 3 hours per week, and the same is so for madrasah. In higher education, RE is 2 credits. Since Islamic is not the ideology of the states, the content of RE is school is not only Islamic teaching, but also Christianity, Protestants, and Catholic, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. However, religious is taught spiritually based and on the faith of student and taught by teacher of the faith. Thus, there are many kinds of RE. RE for Islam, RE for Catholic, RE for Protestant, RE for Hinduism, and RE for Buddhism. The case is different in Japan, although the regulation of education states clearly that government school shall refrain from religious education or other activities for a specific religious. It does not mean that there is not connection at all between religious and school, because the government acknowledges the necessity of moral education based and religious touch. In 1949, the Ministry of Education issued some notes to public school visiting religious facilities with the aim of worship or participating in religious ceremony and festival in prohibited visiting thoughts facilities for academic or cultural purpose is allowed unless children are forced to go to use religious materials in a class except from academic or educational purpose, except preaching or denying a certain religious, and school children are free to form religious group in extracurricular activities. Although religious education strictly prohibited in public school, there are some intersection between religious elements and public school in Japan. The first obvious intersection is in moral education. According to the guidelines of the government, a class for moral education is aimed at encouraging it from living in practical level. The guidelines of moral education for elementary and secondary school life emphasize having a feeling of reverence from what is beyond the power of the human being, as well as fostering friendship by trusting each other and learning together, cooperating with the oppressor sex in a friendly manner, respecting and having affection for parents and government, and being willing to make commitment from the happiness of the family. At school are required to take subject and moral education because it does not curtain any denominational contents. Another intersection is in the subject of ethics, a subject for high school level, but not it is obligatory. The guideline for this subject is to teach students basic ideas of the Christian, Buddhist, Confucian, and Muslim religions in addition to ancient Greek philosophy to aid them in understanding their human status. The state's intersections is in history class, where religious entities as historical folk Japanese in Japanese or the world history. Students shall take Japanese history until secondary school level, while world history is taught in high school level. Unlike public schools that are prohibited of RE, private school, particularly those that have religious affiliation with certain religions, have freedom to hold religious education. Article 50, paragraph 2, and Article 79 of the Ordinance for Enforcement of the School Education Act explains the private school of elementary and secondary are allowed to hold religious education based on their affiliated religions as part of their regular curriculum. This means that RE is allowed to be taught or private school in Japan. In fact, there are 115 high schools that are affiliated with Roman Catholic Church, 93 private high schools affiliated with Protestant, 5 high schools affiliated with Shinto, 108 high schools affiliated with Buddhism sects, and 16 high school affiliated newly developed religious sects. In total, private schools approved by the government and have religious affiliation are 25% of the total national number. 45. Interestingly, the highest number of private high school based of certain religions does not have any correlation with the growth number to certain believers in Japan. For example, private high school based on Christianity that take 60% of total number of religious schools did have little impact on the number of Christian believers in Japan. In 1900, the total number of Christian believers was 1 million, and after 26 years, the number was 3 million. According to Takata, there are two reasons as to why there is no connection between the number of religious schools and the number of religious believers. First, students who attend religious school are mostly non-believers, and secondary, they choose to attend this school not because of religious reason, but because of prestige, reputation, or quality of this school. They believe that this school can help them to go to find universities. 5. RE and student behavior. The last part of this paper is comparing the impact of RE on student attitude and behavior. Wald argues, however, that putting RE as solely variable of student behavior can be trapped into simplification because there are many variables that contribute to their attitude and action, such as families, school, cultural society, mass media, and so on. I'm not going to judge their behavior, and as a result of the alone, the simplification may also be meant by neglecting the contribution of RE to student behavior, because the main intention of RE is how to improve student life behavior. RE in this context is not only seen from connected aspect or as knowledge, but also as effective and psychomotor. Comparing RE in relation to student attitude and action in Indonesia and Japan is not an easy task. In Indonesia, there are many reports of student violence occurring in secondary, junior, and senior high school, and some added to this. The Indonesia Commission for Child Protection (KPRI) report that in 2013, from January to October, there were 229 cases of student violence, and 19 of them caused deaths. to in 2012. There were 128 cases of study balls, where 104 cases occurred in Jakarta that resulted in 17 deaths, 39 have injured, and 48 light injured. In 2010, there were 800 cases of student violence in Indonesia. The violence usually took the form of brawls, throwing its water, and thus hijack. The Jakarta Globe reported student violence such as disrespectful student riots after branding school suspect bullying there to be placed. Juvenile harms. Jakarta art student arrested over boarding house assault. Supreme Court upholds student board's stubborn sentence. Student killed by Samuel South in school brawl. Report. Jakarta student attack with acidic solution. Leaders arts attack highlights disturbing new threats. Many reports are also provided by other mass media. Mass media in Indonesia about student brawls, school bullying, and other forms of violence. To a certain degree, they solve that RI in Indonesia has little contribution to make students behave properly in line with the existing norms on the ground. The teach students receive RI from elementary and secondary, junior and senior high school. As mentioned early, RI is mandatory subject that should be taught in all lines, level, and type of education. Still, RI is supported by the state in terms of policy and regulation, but its contribution of student behavior remains to question. The failures of RI to give good impact on student behavior risk Christianities. One, the dreams that the teaching of RI is two domains in the aspect of cognitive by emphasizing RI as knowledge through indoctrination and memorization. As a result, students know RI but do not know how to make it meaningful and applicable in their life, because RI is merely seen as knowledge, not as fundamental values of life. In contrast to Japan, it is difficult to find the news of student brawls, violence, and school bullying. Students are disciplined, hardworking, and follow the rules of school. No report in mass media, social media, and television concerning student bullying and brawl. There is not violence can be seen either in school or public life. The question is, does it cross by RI? I would argue that RI in Japan, like in Indonesia, has little contribution to make students behave properly in Indonesia or public life. Some argument can be made here. First, not all students receive RI in school. Only those who enroll in private religious-based schools receive RI, and only 25% of all private high schools approved by the government are religiously affiliated. Secondary, students who attend public school only receive small elements of religious through moral education subject to ethics and history. Churches, most all students do not care about religious, and the reason why they attend private religious-based school is not because they're interested in religious, but the belief that that school can help them to go to good universities. I will argue the determinant factor that make Japanese students in particular and Japanese society in general are tolerant, respecting each other, hardworking, loyalty, helpful, and the like are not because of RI, but the old tradition that were based on Shinto principles and had been inherited from the one generation to another generation, especially started from Tokugawa Ren and then continued down to the Meiji Restoration. The sublime values from the past and had been maintained and headed on will from the generation to next generation, although there was a change in society because of modernization and liberalization and foundation, and society remained firm. This is the reason why Japanese society has entered the modern world without losing their traditional identities and value. See, concluding remarks. The implementation of RE depends on the state's policy, and the state's policy on RE is strongly influenced by the state's ideology. When secular ideology is chosen as the foundation of the state, RE is allowed only in private school, not in public school. The latter should be free from religious interest, views, and influence. In contrast, when Islam becomes the ideology of states, RE receive maximum support from the state to be taught in public and private school. However, public school can only have Islamic religious education, and this can be seen in Malaysia and Pakistan. Indonesia and Japan are two different countries in terms of ideology. The former is based on Pancasila ideology that is neither secular nor Islamic, but somewhere between the two, while Japan chose secular ideology. The treatment of these two countries of RE is also different. The former strongly support the existence of RE in public and private school through policies and regulation, while the latter only allows RE in private school, not in public school, because public school should refrain from any religious activities. Interestingly, that strong support of the states of RE does not always give good impact on student behavior. In Indonesia, student brawl and violence and very often reported by mass media and the Indonesian Commission for Child Protection (KPRI) report the brutality of some high school students in Indonesia. From this perspective, RE has little contribution to help students behave properly in line with the existing religious value and norms. In contrast, in Japan, it is hard to find students in high school behaving improperly by violating school rules. But if this does not mean because of regulation and policy are killing that not all students receive RE when they are in school. RE is only taught in private religious-based school, and the percentage of these kinds of school is only 25%. In Japan, the old traditional values that has been handed down from one generation to another generation since 17 centuries ago seems more powerful than RE in making students, in particular, and Japanese society in general to behave properly in line with the existing norms and values. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.